Lady Lily back with another video, and this is the unboxing of my new planner, which is the luxurious lifestyle planner by Arnita Johnson Hall. It came in this box here, which on the back has my personal information, but that is a lovely box. And this is the box that the planner has, the actual planner lives in. So yeah, that's the packaging is even unique. So I'm gonna go through it, and you get to join the journey with me, looking at it for the first time. So I got a couple of items in here that I ordered in addition to. So I'm into the cash envelope stuff. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and I wanted to add some more categories. And I saw that this comes with cash envelopes. So that's pretty cool. So I wanted to add those on. And then they have the charts on the back to keep track of how much money you got and how much you have spent. This also comes with 10% off your next order, and I'm assuming that is Arnita Johnson Hall. So 10% off, we'll save that. So if we need it for the following year, a thank you card. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your luxurious planning journey. And some words from the owner. It came with some stickers that I could definitely use. And then I also had ordered date stickers because I was told, as I watched other videos, I was told this planner is undated. So I ordered the date stickers for the planner. So this is a couple of sheets. I don't know how long that's gonna, is that a few months? How many months is that? It's what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months worth. Might have to reorder some more. And this is, these were just receipts. And this is the actual planner. So I'm gonna try to get it unwrapped. And they really wrap it up because it was in a bubble wrap and now it's in this wrap here. So bear with me because I'm trying to hold this camera and shoot. So we're operating really with one hand here. So give me just a second. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over, and it says cheers to planning your luxurious lifestyle. Okay, so here's the planner, and it's a message from the founder. And it says she begins to live the luxurious life she dreamed of. So I pretty much got this planner. I normally have like a bills and finances type calendar. Then I have another planner I use usually for like my social activities and meetings and stuff. So I really wanted to be more structured, more focused, more dedicated to like putting stuff down financially. And I figure if I get something really nice, I can really stick to it. So we got a little vision board area here. So we definitely gonna sit down and fill that out. We got some luxurious affirmations. I am debt free. My health is my wealth. I am a millionaire. I am a money magnet, baby. Yes, I am a money magnet. I make wise investments. And it says, I can't wait till I can afford to be who I actually am. So it's like really good stuff in here. So they got an area that you can write down needs versus your wants. Spending triggers. So what are your top 3 spending triggers? And you can fill that out. What are some financial and motivational books you want to read this year? I am racking up a bunch of books for what I would call this winter quarantine. So since we still not able to really get out here and do stuff and travel, I've been obtaining a lot of books and plan to do some readings this winter. And this says, from this day forward, I will tell my money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And then it talks about what your fixed expenses is. Then it talks about what's your debt income worksheet. It talks about what's your monthly gross income, total debt. And with this one, it talks about money going in, money coming out, money left. So it's like different stuff you need to keep in mind. Budgeting, using the 50-20-30 rule, how your budget worksheet should look. Monthly expenses, write down what your monthly expenses are. This also talk about saving. They got a money challenge here. But I'm thinking of doing the penny challenge for next year, because that seemed like it's still a decent amount of money. So it talks about luxurious savings, so a start date, savings goal, and then it says, shout out to the girl who chooses to stay in tonight so that she can save money, work on her credit, manage her budget, and create a strategy to get out of debt. The sacrifices will pay off due to you being responsible and disciplined. So right now, I mean, with this quarantine, it's not much going on, so this is really a good time to save money. So this is the monthly outlet, the monthly outline. I said outlet, monthly outline. Like I said, it's undated, so that's where these stickers are going to come in handy. You can lay out your goals. And then also what I want to do is map out whose birthdays are during these months, because sometimes that gift giving tends to add up. Then you have your monthly bill organizer. So you put down the payee, the due date, the amount you paid, amount due, amount paid, and method of payment. Then it's luxurious thoughts. So I guess anything that pop in your head. Then this is what I really like about this. They have the monthly meal plan. So I like that this all can be in one area. So you can map out your monthly meals. And then I like over here how they have the grocery shopping list. I like that. And then you can keep track of how much you're spending, and then you can plan your meals over there. So I like this. I like to have all this stuff in one spot. And it said, let's talk about credit. So your monthly, you can get your monthly credit scores from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So that's good. And then this is disputes calendar if you got disputes on your credits or any bills. And then itemized disputes. But I don't know if I would be using that because I really don't have disputes like that. And then say journal your journey. Tell yourself something today that will help you live a better tomorrow. So maybe some positive thoughts. And then this is financial tips. Pay all your bills on time. So I guess if you come across any financial tips, you're supposed to write it down at the date. Credit tips. Keep your credit card balance below 10%. So I guess any tips you come up about your credit. And then quotes. Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want to impress people they don't like. Real watchers. So you can put quotes and dates there. Then finance tips, create a budget and stick to it. So I guess if you come across any tips for the month, you could be writing them down in this. And it said, don't let a rich heart cause you to have poor pockets. So it starts out the next month. So I believe these are the layouts for each month. So I'm assuming this goes for the 12 months. So I guess you just keep going until you finish out the year. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this and being more structured. Yep. So yeah, this is the outline is pretty much the same. So this is the back of the planner. It do have a folder. It do have this you know, thing to keep it together. So let's look at the cash envelopes. So I did order a set of cash envelopes. I already have cash envelopes. I just saw this and thought it was kind of cool. So what I can be doing is putting these inside of the plastic ones I have. So they have, the categories are miscellaneous, coffee, which I do Dunkin' Donuts, latte, and Starbucks. So sometimes, so that'll be, you know, they'll fall under my coffee category. They have emergency fund, entertainment, splurge, treat yourself, self-care. So I'm assuming that's hair, nails, feet, massages, lunch money. Although I do take my lunch, money. I do take my lunch to. Bring my lunch when I go to work, and I don't work in the office every day. Right now, I'm only doing a few days a week, so that has cut down because there's some days I'm working from home, but there's every now and then I might treat myself for lunch. But yeah, they got a lunch money. Stash. Vacation, which I am so looking to take a vacation sometime in 2021. Date night. Yeah, if I get a boo. Yeah, or I'm dating myself. Gas, always need gas for the car. Slay. Oh, this is the beauty hair. So what's the other one? Self-care. If this is beauty, hair, and nails, self-care, is that more like massages or something? I don't know. Slay. Groceries, yep, always grocery shopping. Gifts, yep. Household goods. And last but not least, tithes, or if you're not tithing, offering. So those are the different categories. And like I said, I do have some plastic envelopes, so some of those will be going inside. And what I think I plan to do, I think I'm going to write on the back of these in erasable pen versus permanent pen, so that way I could just, put in how much in there, just, update and erase and stuff. So I think I'm going to do that in erasable pen. But I am looking forward to using this. I'm trying to step my game up. I have did much better budgeting these past few years, so I do got a routine. I do got a system, so I'm excited to use this to help strengthen that system and maybe encourage me by using some colorful things to boost that. But that is it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll add the link below if you are interested in purchasing your own planner or your own planner, or even if you want the accessories, because you don't have to get the planner. You can get the envelopes. They do sell those separately. So maybe you just want to get the envelopes. But I'll link a code to so you could get at least 10% off on your next order. So that is it. That is all. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a safe and blessed holiday season. Be safe. Wear your mask. Wash your hands. Social distance. And let's fly above the COVID. Have a good evening. Stay blessed.